Hi, and welcome to the House of Lock. And I'm Lock, and I just wanted to show you this cool little LED sign I got from Amazon. I'm going to put it on the outside of my wall so maybe the wife will be a little more quiet when I'm in here recording. But here it is, getting it all unwrapped, pulling all the plastic and stuff off of it, plug it up to my little charging block here. It's got a on and off switch, a dimmer switch. It gets pretty bright, and I like it. Looks really good.